What a quick review on the refrigerator we just got. Here's your remote, you can control it. Opera, fridge, and you turn it into either freezer or fridge. Cookeries, door open. Had to. This is an idea. I don't know if my old library we got the base up back and that's up against the wall. The fridge bed went out a week ago. We had to get a new one. We've got this. We got this. This is Sunday. We got this on Tuesday. It's about 5'3" tall. Inside you got plenty of space. Put your food in the doorway. Playroom inside for the shelves to put food. Nice size. Been there. Vegetables and stuff out. Got plenty of space in there. Yeah, still don't see anything. Tell you what the model number is. A few things in there. Yeah, it's a pretty good fridge. Like I said, you got plenty of room in there, but put your food down. We're gonna cool it down, there's food in it. It's back to working again. The only thing I don't like about it is I used to have a refrigerator, got a freezer. But my roommate's mom and stepdad have a stand-up freezer they're gonna let us have. Just whenever they get a chance to bring it over. Yeah, it's a pretty good little fridge, refrigerator. I don't know where you can buy that. We may get it at local mom and pop appliance stores where she bought it. I don't know what stores you can buy this at. It's the Medea refrigerator. A little hard to open, but still pretty good and tight.